We will introduce how to install Xgene. Before installation, please ensure that you have filled the application form in our website, and the installation script link will be sent to your email. After you download the script, now we can we can see the requirements of our machine listed in Chapter 2. Those requirements including hardware and software requirements, especially for NVIDIA driver, Docker, and the NVIDIA Container Toolkit, as well as some mobile devices for our model testing. After you have ensured that you have met all the requirements, now we can start our installation. Let's see the help of our installation script. There are many options that I can specify. For Chinese users, for Chinese users, you need to specify the region and the HK. For other users, you need to specify the region of US. And there are other important options for you. For example, Xgene path will specify the home of Xgene, and the data path will specify the Xgene data. Before installation, we need to read the agreement of Xgene. At the end of the agreement, we need to agree, and simply typing Y. Because it's the second time for us to install Xgene. If for you it's the first time to install Xgene will pull the Docker image first. It might take a long time, so please don't worry, just wait patiently. After your installation, you need to run source /c to inject the command run Xgene. We have done it. Now just simply run Xgene. When you first run Xgene will create the Xgene container, so it also takes time. Just to wait. As the hint suggested by typing Xgene command Xgene. When you see the welcome message, you have successfully installed Xgene.